Time now to take a look at the numbers of the day in News and Numbers. Tonight's focus, 2020, 380 million and 71,000. First, the Supreme Court delivers a huge blow to the Trump administration, blocking a citizenship question from the 2020 census, at least for now. President Trump wants White House lawyers to put the census on hold until the question is settled. Next, Bank of America says it will stop lending money to detention centers and private prisons. Detention centers have become a flashpoint in the immigration debate. A Miami Herald investigation found Bank of America loaned $380 million to the company operating that controversial migrant detention center for children in Homestead. And finally, Fisher-Price has recalled 71,000 inclined infant sleepers. The ultralight day and night play yards could cause babies to roll on their stomachs while sleeping. If you have this, stop using it immediately.